Unlock the full creative potential of your Nikon D5600 with the Godox X2T TTL wireless flash trigger. And let's dive into setting it up for stunning off-camera lighting. First, ensure your Godox X2T has fresh batteries installed and the trigger securely mounted onto your Nikon D5600's hot shoe. Gently slide it in until it clicks into place. On your Nikon D5600, we need to ensure the hot shoe is set to flash mode or signing speed so it recognizes the trigger. Check your camera's manual for the exact menu location, but it's usually found within the shooting settings. Now, let's configure the Godox X2T. Press the CH/GR button until the channel display flashes. Use the selector dial to choose a channel. Typically channel 1 is a good starting point. Then, press CH/GR again to select the group display. Set the groups to A for your main flash. Next, we'll set the flash mode. Press and hold the TTL button until TTL appears on the screen. This enables automatic exposure based on the flash output for faster shutter speeds. You can access high-speed sync or HSS by pressing and holding the FX button until HSS appears. Power on your Godox flash unit that you want to control wirelessly. Make sure the flash is also set to TTL mode and matches the channel and group you've set. On the X2T, you should see an indicator on the X2T screen confirming a connection to the flash. Now, you're ready to position your Godox flash off camera. Experiment with different angles and distances and take test shots. The TTL mode will automatically adjust the flash output for correct exposure, giving you a world of creative lighting possibilities. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up your Godox X2T TTL wireless flash trigger with your Nikon D5600. Opening the door to professional quality off-camera flash photography. Get creative and start building your unique lighting setups